From smoky masterpiece to fridge exile, your brisket deserves a second chance. Hey foodies, John here from Bloggin Good Food. Let's learn how to reheat brisket like a chef and make your leftover brisket taste as good as when it was first cooked. The first method is using microwave. This is the fastest and easiest way to reheat brisket, but it also has some drawbacks. You need to be careful not to overcook or dry out the meat. And you might lose some of the smoky flavor and crispy bark. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Cut the brisket into thin slices about a quarter inch thick. This will help the meat heat up evenly and quickly. Step 2. Place the slices in a microwave-safe dish and add some beef broth, barbecue sauce or any liquid that you used to cook the brisket. You don't need a lot, just enough to moisten the meat and prevent it from drying out. Step 3. Cover the dish with a lid or a damp paper towel. This will create some steam and keep the meat juicy. Step 4. Microwave the brisket on high for about 2 minutes or until it's hot and tender. Check the temperature with a meat thermometer. It should be at least 145°F. Step 5. Enjoy your reheated brisket with your favorite sides and sauces. The second method is using an oven. This is the best way to reheat brisket if you want to preserve its flavor and texture, but it also takes longer and requires more equipment. You need an oven, a baking sheet, a wire rack, some aluminium foil, and a thermometer. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 325°F. This is the optimal temperature to reheat brisket without overcooking or drying out. Step 2. Place the brisket on a wire rack over a baking sheet. This will allow the hot air to circulate around the meat and prevent it from getting soggy. Step 3. Cover the brisket loose with aluminium foil. This will trap some moisture and prevent the meat from burning. Step 4. Bake the brisket for about 20 minutes or until it reaches an internal temperature of 155°F. Check the temperature with a meat thermometer and adjust the time accordingly. Step 5. Remove the foil and broil the brisket for a few minutes or until the bark is crispy and charred. Step 6. Enjoy your reheated brisket with your favorite sides and sauces. So there you have it, folks. 2 ways to reheat your brisket like a pro. Remember, low and slow is the key to keeping your brisket juicy and delicious. Don't forget to check out our website blogginggoodfood.com for more tips, tricks and recipes.